morning, everybody. Sun rising, and there's a lot of people out there fishing on the beach. That's right, we got our Christmas lights up here on the boulevard in Seaside Heights, and yeah, beautiful day. Looks like it's gonna be. Early morning hours as we walk down the boulevard. Beautiful morning as it is. Warming up already. Nice. Nice out. Nice out. Give you a little tour of Breakwater Beach while we're up this way, and see the mayhem that they've done here. Just another little peek of the sun coming over the Atlantic Ocean here in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. That's right, Steaks Unlimited, right here on the boulevard. I mean, right here on Ocean Terrace. Yes. That's right, Funtown Pier. Taking down the rides, putting them in cold storage for the winter. Yes. Funtown Pier. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Could hit 70 today. Love it. Love it! That's right, Polar Bear Plunge 2012. February 25th, 2012. Polar Bear Plunge. That's a ways away. But sign up now and jump in the ocean in February.
With the white. I love tuxedos. Yes. He said, don't bother me, I'm eating.
As long as you're eating. Did you give them water?
You asked me.
Seagull Sunday again! Yee! Seagull Sunday, here we go! Cats and seagulls, seagulls and cats. Plenty of cats, plenty of seagulls on Seagull Sunday. Should call it Cat and Seagull Sunday. Hey. Water gun fun on the boardwalk.
She also said LeBron wouldn't leave. Look, the murderer. But for whatever reasons, those did not work out.
So what do you know about this guy?
Nothing. And that's the beauty of it. I only need to know what he's going to do between 12 and 1. Or 12 to 12:18. I clocked it.
Before I forget, almost forgot. Thanks for all your comments. Love reading your comments. Keep watching them crazy videos. Oh, shout out time. Shout out to AB25LT. Hey, there's your shout out. And birthday greeting to DRV Allen. Happy birthday. Okay, I'm done. I'm out. Good night, folks. Till next week.